Carpet cleaning takes ecstasy. Some may think it's just a breeze, but when the stains are setting deep, the pros arrive and the carpets breathe. It's not just carpet, it's a life we walk upon. And every fiber tells a story, and the battle must be won. Clean it up, let the fibers shine. We're living on top, one step at a time. With fiber, ID, and chemistry, we clean the carpets for the world to see. Mark would say it's more than floor, it's the ground we're living on and more. From traffic lanes to mystery stains, training wins the cleaning game. Clean it up, let the fibers shine. We're living on top, one step at a time. With fiber, ID, and chemistry, we clean the carpets for the world to see. Yeah. It's not just soap, it's not just steam, it's science and knowledge that makes it clean. Clean it up, let the fibers shine. We're living on top, one step at a time. Spots and stains don't stand a chance when the carpet